Oh boy. It's been a week since I've had this thing, and I haven't installed it yet, and it's been on my mind ever since. I'm so hyped. I can't wait for this. So today, we are installing one of my favorite mods to do on any car. It's an exhaust. It looks so good. It looks so good. I'm so excited. So I thought about it because of the valves. Stock has valves. It's always open. I always keep them open anyways. Like, oh god. I got new gaskets and everything from the install. The HKS gasket. Yeah, it's an HKS Legamax exhaust. Stainless steel. Oh, I can't wait. I'm not gonna bore you guys with you know, installing it, so yeah. Oh man, that still sounds so good, but I feel like it's loud, but I want it louder. Oh, it just looks so good. I can't wait. My boy with the Ford Focus is on his way. We're gonna load up that exhaust into his car because there's no way that's fitting in the trunk. It's not fitting in the back seat. I need help. Oh man, I can't wait. So yeah, I'm not gonna bore you guys with installing it. You guys can jack up the car, take out the old one, put the new one on. That's it. Literally, there's a ton of them on the internet. If you really want to see how to do it, go watch that video. Hell yeah, that sounds so good. Okay. What? Okay guys, exhaust has been installed. I am in love with it. It sounds so good. It's loud when I need it to be. It has a more throatier, deeper sound to the tone of the exhaust, and it sounds so good. When I step on it, it screams. And then when I'm in the higher gear, just cruising, simple. Like, it sounds so good. Will I be able to make this light? Whoa, my guy. Oh gosh, it sounds amazing. Alright, well, enough of me talking. just enjoy it. Amazing. I can't wait for a real cold start, you know? Yeah, so feedback is it just sounds so much throatier. When I step on it, it really gets to that GTR sound, you know? And like again, now I'm in 6th gear, cruising, not too loud. Now I roll up the windows, nice and quiet. Like I can have a conversation with someone, it's perfect. Whoa, what? I feel like I'm missing it. Is that a cop? Or is that a security? Oh shit. I didn't know this was a thing. Can I go? Should I go around? No, what if that's a cop? He has a gun. That is a cop. I waved to the cop, and he waved back. Hell yeah! My friend said that he can actually smell my car when I step on it. Now, I have 2 cats in the downpipe, but there's nothing in the middle anymore, so it's just 2 cats. And apparently it smells like I'm catless. Only when I step on it, though. So, just don't step on it when there's a cop around, because then you'll be able to smell me. Which I didn't see coming at all. So I guess that's good to know for if anyone wants to kind of get this setup that I have. It's a straight pipe, essentially, from the downpipes back. All bikers do this when they lean on their gas tank, eh? I see my boy do it all the time. Whenever I'm cruising with him, he's riding, he'll like put his arm on the gas tank. This guy's stretching, okay. Well guys, I'm gonna just cruise around. You know, nothing too crazy. Just gonna enjoy my car, drive it. I have to put it away soon, so that's gonna suck, but you know, it is what it is. I don't want to drive in the winter anyways. Oh my god, why are we stopping? There's a cop right there. He just pulled out. I'm gonna take a longer way because I don't want this cop.
park real quick and just wait for that couple to leave because I do not want to get caught. I need to take a little detour. There it is. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Drive safe. Peace out, y'all, and I'll see you in the next one.